Every Dockerfile has copy. But most developers don't actually know how it works under the hood. The copy instruction transfers files and directories from your host machine into the container image file system. It pulls from the build context. The directory you send to the Docker daemon when you run Docker build. Every time Docker executes a copy instruction, it creates a new read-only layer in the image. More copy calls mean more layers, which means larger images. The syntax is straightforward: copy source destination. Both paths are relative. The source is relative to the build context, and the destination is a path inside the container. For example, copy .//app copies the /chef folder from your project into /app in the container. You can also copy individual files or use wildcards. Beginners often confuse copy with ADD. They look similar, but ADD does extra things. It can fetch files from a URL and automatically extract tar archives. Best practice: always use copy unless you specifically need ADD's extras. Copy is Docker's preferred way to get files into an image. Use it with a source and destination path. Know it works from the build context, and remember that ADD is only for special cases. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.